Yeah. Yeah.
इशारा मेरे यारों अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो
Hi guys. So as you know, I am about to leave Vancouver for good. Basically, I have 10 days left in Vancouver, and the plan is to Janu my life through it because I know I'm going to be sad at the end of it, irrespective. So the plan is to do things in Vancouver that I'm going to miss, things I've never done before, hang out with as many friends as I can, all while not thinking about the fact that I'm leaving, just doing it out of not thinking about that I'm leaving. And I'll show you how it goes. I hope these are the most fun 10 days of my life because I'm anyways gonna cry. Might as well have something worth crying about. Like I said, today I was gonna do things that I have never done in Vancouver before. It's called falling off a bridge. Almost did. Only scraped a little bit of my knee.
It was the most terrifying thing I've ever seen in my life.
Hi guys. So we are on our way to Salim Sulaiman concert. It has officially been a 4-day bender for me and Sirat.
By the way, I'm Sirat.
Yeah, show you as much of the concert that I can. But yeah, I'm very excited. They sang great songs. I'm just waiting for Ashay. That's my
Eh, Khuda.
copyright. Hi guys, welcome to my Janu Vancouver plans. So today I'm going to meet two of my friends, Ankita and Chai, who really helped me get through college, very honestly. You know, they are the type of friends where if I'm falling, they're the ones who've taken me home. They've gotten me through various like fights and boys and everything. They're very like sober, smart people. And I'm the little riot of that group. So I'm going to meet them, and I think this is the last time I'm going to see them in Vancouver. And trying not to think about it as the last time, but yeah, I'll make you meet them, and hopefully it's gonna be a good day. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, so say hi. Look at the difference in facial reaction. Okay, hi guys, we are in Gastown and we have Vinya. Hi. And we have Isha. Hi. And we're gonna go to Lampo. And Sirat. Everyone knows Sirat. Didn't think I had to introduce her. Anyways, not the point. We are in Gastown and we are having a spontaneous night because no one thought it's gonna end at a club.
I didn't even I wore sandals. I don't know what about sandals to a club. Feet. Some people are into that.
Only you, Vinya. Only you. Hi guys. So my tickets have been booked. And the one thing that I wanted to do was go to Banff, and I'm trying to convince you to come with me to Banff.
Lots of emotional blackmail is happening.
I'm making this intro to a vlog in case we make it to Banff, just in case. Just because. दो तीन English के शब्द बोल के.
In case.
So yeah, you know, just a regular Sunday. And
also by the way, we're flying tomorrow morning. It's Sunday 4 p.m. We're gonna leave tomorrow.
Yeah.
Good one, bro. Good one.
And then maybe I'll do like a cute transition. Hi guys, it's my last Sunday in Vancouver. We're at Glitch. Lovely place to be.
Looking like a bunch of idiots.
Guys, we are in downtown Vancouver and we're going to our most favorite place. We're going to our most favorite place ever. It's called Moulin Rouge.
What are you vlogging this?
MRFLAB
Moulin Rouge for life.
and beyond.
Oh.
Saying
do whatever.
random names.
Just because. दो दिन इंग्लिश के शब्द बोल के तुम कूल नहीं हो गई हो.
लेवल सबके निकलेंगे, पर निकलेगा उसका ही जो खड़ा रहेगा. लेवल सबके निकलेंगे.
We're sitting on the roads of Vancouver at this point. But Seerath is trying to convince the limo driver to give us 30 seconds free in his limo. And I think we're going to make it. But you never know, you know. She's also very good at convincing. So, Seerath is the most clutch person you will meet. We are going in the limo for 2 minutes exactly for free. We're in a limo somehow. For free. For free.
Not somehow.
Because of Seerath. Because of Seerath. We're here. We're here. This is what it looks like.
I just want to go home.
Hi guys, this is another day in my life of OK Januing my life, and today we're gonna go visit UBC for one last time, and then we're gonna go shopping for like pants and shoes and stuff like that. So hopefully I'll be able to shoot at UBC, and I'm going with Seerath before she yells at me again for not introducing her. There she is. Hi guys, so we spent the entire day shopping. Seerath is holding shopping bags. And now we're gonna go eat Japanese barbecue for the last time in Vancouver. Yeah. Hi guys, so you know I'm in the phase of OK Januing my life. So today is Wednesday and it's only 7 and there's still daylight outside. And my friends and me have decided to come and get shorts and Moulin Rouge, like our most go-to place. And so we are at Cactus Club, and this is the one meal that I have every year for my birthday, and I'm not going to be here for my birthday next year, hopefully. So I'm going to have it for one last time. Have a bite. Chicken ki bro. Hi. Have a nice meal. Full. Hi guys, so again, OK Januing my way through Vancouver, and today I'm gonna go get a tattoo to celebrate the time that I've been here, which is 6 years. It's gonna be like mountains and waves. Unfortunately, no one was free, so I have to go alone. I'm really stressed, but I'm also very, very excited because I already have a tattoo and I've been wanting to get a second tattoo for really long. So yeah, I'll take you and I'll show you, and I hope it looks good. Hi guys, so I'm back from my tattoo appointment. It's on this arm, so I can't show it to you, but I'll try to get someone to like record it and show you. But yeah, so the two things that I did today were two things that I was scared about. One was getting a tattoo for obvious reasons because it hurts. And second is dining alone. I think I have had lunch before alone in a restaurant, but I've always been like scared to do it. And then today I was just in so much pain and I'm like, I really want to eat pasta. So I went to Old Spaghetti Factory alone, and it wasn't bad. It was so peaceful, fun. Didn't have to talk, didn't have to do time pass, and I loved it. I wish I had done it more often, but this is the week to do everything I haven't done before. So hi guys, so this is my last night outside in Vancouver. That's Chai.
I miss her so much. I don't know.
Leaving me alone.
Serena had so many friends. Who's that?
That's
Who's that?
Seerath. That's Seerath. That's Seerath Chima. You got a dress here. A dress also here. Hi. Anaina.
Hi.
Vinaya. Isha. So we're gonna go to Lamplighter and
Lampard lights and light the lamps.
वाह
that.
पोएट्री आ गया सीरत के मुंह से
Yeah. Bye bye. So we are now in a Mexican restaurant. Hi guys. That's how big the glass is.
It's the size of my head or maybe bigger.
Bigger than. Yeah.
It's an average size glass if you think about it.
And we are all really tiny. Oh my god, we're Gulliver Travels.
Wow.
Oh my god, you guys don't read.
Must feel when they went like honey I shrunk my kids. The salt in it. It's sugar.
Why was that face so? I did such a bad face.
Good. Hi guys, it is my last day in Vancouver officially. Last evening in Vancouver for a long time. Seerat and I are gonna go see the fireworks. And yeah, already cried in the morning. Cannot cry anymore. But yeah, fun times. I have successfully Janu'd my life in the past week. I have done everything that I wanted to, except one thing, but everything else I've done. The one thing that I couldn't do was whale watching, unfortunately, but that's okay. I'm sure there are bigger whales written in my destiny. But let's see now where life takes us, and okay, bye. Last beach day.